What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antoine Campbell coming at you with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about how much does a freelance virtual assistant make, right? I know a lot of you guys wondering, like, how much does VAs make? What's their salaries? VAs are just people who work remotely. But what I'm going to speak from today is VAs primarily from the Philippines. That's a country right over, not too far from the China. And basically, in that country, a lot of people use VAs. So Coca-Cola, Pepsi, IBM, every major U.S. company use VAs. Now, their salaries, it all depends on the organization. If you go straight to Fiverr, you can get a VA probably for between $3 and $12 an hour. It depends on what they do. So we have what we call general VAs, like typical admin VAs that can answer the phone, that can do basic things for you on the phones. Then we have what we call like high quality, high level, C-level executive type VAs. Them VAs start off at between at least $5 an hour all the way up to like $14, $15 an hour. It depends on the company. Now, some companies, they overpay. They'll hire agency and pay them an agency a fixed rate per employee because they're looking at how much they're saving if they would have had to hire an employee here in the United States and then put them on regular payroll. And then you have FICA, workers' comp, unemployed. Like that employee, if you're paying an employee at $20 an hour, that can easily be a $40 an hour burden. So a Fortune 500 company or a nice quality mid-sized, mid-level company wouldn't mind paying a VA agency up to $14 an hour because they're saving well over $30 an hour in payroll labor costs. That being said, the typical person who uses a VA outside of a big, medium-sized Fortune 500 company is someone like your everyday Joe who has a business making a few $1,000s a week. May even make up to 6 figures a month, and they're looking for VAs that they can personally train and bring to their business to really help out. And them the type of VAs that you can get between $3 and $8 an hour. That's, I think, a good threshold, especially if you're handling everything in-house and you're not using a third-party agency to manage the VAs. You're probably going to pay between $3 and $8 an hour. Then there's what we call recruitment VA agencies like myself. We run a really robust recruitment agency that specializes in finding VAs, training them, and then onboarding them to your business. And we can get you VAs starting at $4 an hour. Now if you're looking for a more premium VA, obviously you're going to pay a lot more. But the whole point is you can get a good VA between $3 and $8 an hour all day in the Philippines, and they can literally do anything as long as the position is requiring of a telephone and a computer. So what does that mean for the VAs? $3 to $8 an hour. Well, let me put it here. The average rent in the Philippines is $125 US a month. So even, let's say, for example, you're paying a VA $4 an hour, and you're probably paying them, 40 hours a week, right? That's, I think, like $160 a week, if I'm not mistaken. So their first check of the week or the month can literally cover majority of their bills. It can cover their rent and maybe their electric. So they're left with 3 checks to do whatever they need. So that $4 an hour is a really, really reasonable salary and a comfortable salary to live on. Now, if you look here in America, right, where, let's say, for example, the average salary is $18 an hour, $20 an hour. How much is that a week, Even if that's $800 for, and the average rent here is $1,800 a month. Guess what? 16, it's going to take you almost 2.5, 3 checks just to meet your rent and not include any other bills. So let me ask you, who is actually ahead, right? So you see a lot of people that say, hiring outsourcing VAs is slavery, it's wrong, it's not good. But when you understand currency and leveraging the currency, you can find quality people that can come work in your business, and you can save a ton of money, as well as really help out with that. Now, a lot of people gonna say, well, Antoine, you advocate and taking jobs from America. Actually, no, because a lot of these jobs, um, you as inflation grows and cost rises, a lot of these jobs is going to X themselves out anyway, because no one can support themselves on $14 an hour anymore, $15 an hour anymore, unless you're living in nowhere, Mississippi, right? So these positions was going to, obsolete themselves anyway down the road. So my thing is, the thing of a lot of people kicking down the road, keep kicking the can down the road, is us Americans need to find a better skill. We need to find a better way to make quality money, right? My biggest thing is, as an American, if you're not making $130,000 a year comfortably, then you're going to struggle, right? Anything less than that, especially a family of 4, 2 children, husband, wife, whatever, 2 spouses, however you look at it, you're not going to make the money to be able to provide for them people and live comfortably, as well as save. Save for emergencies, save for retirement, and then just have some money set aside so you can go on vacation and things. So that's why I say, if you're an entrepreneur out here trying to scale your business, the easiest way to scale your business with virtual assistants, primarily from the Philippines. This is your boy Antoine Campbell. If this is your first time watching this video and you find that this video is very informative, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. I promise you I deliver more quality content. If you want to see more content like this, reach out to me. If you're interested in hiring a virtual assistant from the Philippines, already trained, ready to go, reach out to me right now. Text myself on 202-335-3322 and follow me on IG at CEO929.